Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ria, and in today's video I will be sharing with you how to make a vision board that actually works. Now if you've seen my previous video wherein I shared how to make a DIY planner under 200 rupees, if not, I'll link it somewhere here. You can click the I button and watch it. Now coming back to today's video, I will be sharing with you step by step how I made the vision board that I stuck on my planner. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and go subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now if you see my vision board, it's a nice collage of everything that I want to achieve as goals in 2022. I have kept my goals really short and simple. They are not too complicated or something that is just not easy to achieve. They are all achievable goals and they are not too much of a hyped up goals, like in case now I'm a starter on YouTube, so my goal is 1000 to 2000 subscribers and not as 100k subscribers, because it's not realistic. So try to keep your goals realistic, and once your goals are realistic, just list them down. So first thing that you have to do is list down your goals. Make a list and just put down all the goals you have, like for your study, your career, for your health, for your love life, for your mental health, for your self-care, everything that you have in your mind. The next thing that you have to do here is you need to find pictures that help you visualize these goals that you've listed down. Now you can go find images for this on Pinterest. What I do usually is I go on Pinterest and I find pictures that help me visualize all of these goals. Now if I want to gain weight, I try to find a girl who has a perfect body that I feel is perfect, not something that is unrealistic, like having big boobs or having a big butt. That is not what I would want. Being a skinny girl, I would want to have thicker arms and thicker legs. So I would just go for that, and I will find that image that I feel is comfortable to achieve and achievable and realistic, and I'll go and save that. And you can just make your vision board 2022 kind of a board on Pinterest, and pin all those images that you feel proper for your visions and go put them in that board. Third thing is you need to go on Canva. In case you don't know what's Canva, Canva is an app where you can make and edit photos however you want. It is the best app that I love. I also love using PicsArt because PicsArt is more easier. Canva is slightly complicated, but I think you'll get through it once you learn. And now coming back to Canva, go to Canva and you can just add up all the images that you have saved on Pinterest on your Canva, whatever dimensions you choose. I chose A4 size, and on an A4 size document I put up all the images that I had, and then just play around with these images and make a nice collage, overlap all of them, put your important goals up, and then which are the images that are not so important can go behind. Now when I say not so important, I know everything on your vision board is important, but in case you have two images that are about your weight loss journey, so one can go behind and one that is really appealing can come up. Or if you have a goal wherein you want to score better marks, so bring that up, because these goals are something that you have to achieve right now. Weight can be done slowly, but your marks are gonna be like it's now or never kind of situation. So bring those up and put the other ones behind. So just play around with it. I'm not telling you to ignore any of your goal or just blindly follow only the ones that are important. Okay, education is important, so you'll just follow that. Health is not important, no, not like that. Just saying that what is really important and has to be done really quick, put them up, and the ones that are a little slower can go slightly behind, and just adjust them like this, and your collage will be ready. And the very last step and the final step is go and print it out. And once you print it out, you can either frame it, or you can stick it on your planner, or you can just stick it on the wall, on the bedroom wall, or your study desk, somewhere like that, so that you can see it every day. You could even have it on your door because usually in case you are a person who forgets to see a vision board, you can, whenever you're leaving the house or you're coming back or whatever, you see the door and याद आ जाएगा, oh मेरा vision board है, and that exists. Because I know what happens is in the starting initial months you might see your vision board and later on it gets boring or maybe demotivating as well. So keep in mind to see your vision board every day, because that is the main game here. You see it, you visualize it, you think it's already yours, and that is how you have it. So yeah, that's all for today's video guys. I hope this video was helpful. In case you have any queries, do let me know in my comment section, or you can even DM me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID will be on the screen somewhere. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.